Imagine squeezing a powerhouse desktop into something twice as small as a book, but faster, smarter, and ready for the AI-driven future. What if your next workstation could handle heavy creative workloads, video editing, 3D rendering, and AI tasks, yet sit quietly under your desk? Well, buckle up, because the upcoming Mac Mini M5 from Apple might just be that. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far about the Mac Mini M5, the specs, the rumors, the release timeline, and crucially, whether it's worth the wait. Stay tuned, because by the end you'll know if this could be your next upgrade. From what insiders are saying, Apple isn't just tinkering around the edges this time. The latest chip from Apple, the M5, is not just a small increment, it's a serious leap. Built on advanced 3nm architecture, M5 brings a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. Each GPU core even gets a dedicated neural accelerator. That means heavy GPU tasks, AI workloads, and graphics rendering all get a major boost. We're talking up to 4 the peak GPU AI performance compared to the previous generation, and a 45% graphics performance uplift under certain workloads. Unified memory bandwidth also jumps to 153 GB per second, which lets data move much faster between CPU, GPU, and neural engine. A huge advantage, especially in creative editing and AI-heavy workflows. What this means: smoother video editing, faster rendering, more efficient AI-based apps, basically a desktop that's far more capable than its tiny chassis suggests. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a chip upgrade. There's a bigger picture. The rumors indicate that Apple has already begun internal testing of new SL Mini versions, identified by codes like J873S, J873G, believed to be Mac Mini M5 and possibly M5 Pro models. According to multiple sources, the new M5-powered Mac Mini is expected sometime in 2026, possibly mid-2026. Importantly, there's no expectation of a major redesign. The form factor stays roughly the same as the current Mac Mini, but what changes is the heart and muscle inside. For many users, that's exactly what matters: raw performance, efficiency, and next-gen capabilities, without sacrificing the compact, clean design that Mac Mini is known for. Content creators: if you edit 4K, 8K video, work with large video files, color grade, or render motion graphics, M5's GPU and memory bandwidth gains could drastically reduce rendering times and speed up your workflow. AI-savvy pros and developers: thanks to neural accelerators in each GPU core and the increased unified memory bandwidth, AI tasks, machine learning, neural net workloads, on-device AI apps get a significant boost. Power users and creative professionals: heavy multitasking, virtualization, compiling code, running VMs. M5's boosted CPU and memory architecture makes the Mac Mini a serious desktop workhorse. Users wanting compact power: if you've always loved the Mac Mini's small footprint but wanted more horsepower, this could be the sweet spot. Desktop-class performance in a tiny chassis. If you're someone who mainly uses their Mac for light tasks, browsing, docs, streaming, the current Mac Mini, or even a good laptop, will do just fine. But if you care about performance, headroom, future-proofing, creative and AI workloads, waiting for the M5 Mac Mini seems like a smart bet. Because of the rumored 2026 release, picking up a current-gen model now could make sense, especially if you want to save money. But if you want cutting-edge performance and plan to use heavy workloads, waiting may pay off. No, major redesign is expected, so don't expect a radically new look. But performance gains should be substantial. Apple tends to roll out M5 Macs gradually. Desktop Macs like Mac Mini and Mac Studio seem slated for early to mid-2026. After initial M5 releases on laptops and other devices, unified memory and GPU improvements will likely push Mac Mini into a new league for creatives, developers, and power users especially. So what do you think? Is the upcoming Mac Mini M5 enough to finally turn your under-desk compact rig into a powerhouse? Would you wait until mid-2026 or grab the current model and save some cash? Drop a comment below with what you care about most. Raw power, AI tasks, video editing, design, or something else entirely. I want to know your thoughts before the M5 hits the market. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the next generation of Apple Silicon. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay ahead.